Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make Ekwang. In my local dialect it's called nkukwo. Actually, it's a traditional delicacy. So tighten your seatbelt while I take you through the process on how to make the nkukwo or Ekwang as the Cameroonian call it. So first thing, you need to pour your red oil into the pot. Yeah, actually I brought the pre-made Ekwang already, so they already went through the process of blending the cocoyam and the water yam together and just doing it. So actually this is me. I'm gonna show you how to lay it down. So we are going to do it step by step. Actually, we are just going to add it one after the other. See, I'm going to tell you a little bit story why I'm laying this down. When I was growing up, right, my mom would actually cook this. I hated it. Why? Because at times she just leave it to be like big ones. Like actually, like the way it is right now. My mom would make her own big. I hated it as a child. But growing up, like living by myself, I cooked it the way I liked it. Like after sometimes after it starts boiling and everything is okay, I would then cut it in tiny pieces because that makes sense. But those ones my mom used to do it big, I would just throw it away. I'll just throw it at the back of the fridge. Or at times I just wait after everybody finish eating, I'll just go throw it away. Now I'm going to add my crayfish to the pot. Anyway, don't tell my mom I told you that story. Yeah, this is not crayfish. Actually, this is mix of blended fish and shrimps. I dried it inside the air fryer. I dehydrated it. So this is me going in with my blended pepper and onions. Actually, I don't like seeing onions in food, so that is why I blend it. Then I went on adding my oven grilled chicken breast. Man, if you had this chicken breast, you would testify that is dehydrated, but it was not dehydrated, it was just grilled. Yeah, so after that I went in with some fish, and that is me adding my Maggi cubes. Actually I end up adding 5 Maggi cubes inside this nkukwo. Anyway, I added a teaspoon of salt, and I added some white pepper for flavoring artists. Then I went ahead and added hot water. Like, don't go into the middle with it. Just by the side. Just keep adding it by the side. And then add some stock water. Your stock water or broth, anyone. So I added my chicken broth. And this is after 15 minutes of cooking it. This is what it looks like, actually. So I'm going to stir it together, and then I cover it back and let it cook for another 15 minutes. And this process, I'm just gonna make use of this time to do every other thing. So this is what it looks like after 30 minutes of cooking, because that Ekpang has to be well cooked so that if you eat it will not be like yum in your mouth. Anyway, I'm sorry, I don't know how to describe that place. Actually, this is the process I'm telling you when I hated when I was a little child. When my mom leave it just like big like that, she wouldn't cut it. So me, I have to cut my own into tiny chunks because I don't want to see it. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. And then I go in with some of my beef, dried beef. You know, I actually like things like protein, a lot of protein inside my food. Like, I'm sorry, I'm just that kind of person. Then I went in with some spinach leaves for coloring. Yeah, just to give me the sweet and tasty look. Anyway, if you stayed up to this moment, I want to say don't forget to please like, share and comment. And if you have not subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. I love you all. See you in my next video. I hope you're gonna try this recipe. Anyways, stay tuned for my next food video, and have a wonderful and nice evening or morning from wherever you're watching from. Bye. See you once.